system. Mini project done by M. Dilip Kumar, S. Ramanathan, and K. Yogeshwaran. Content in this project, we are going to talk about introduction, components and materials required, circuit diagram, experimental setup, working, uses of laser security alarm system, advantages of laser security alarm system, and conclusion. First one, introduction. Security is the most important factor today. Technology develops day by day in the world. The crime gang also improves their technology to perform their operation. So technology of security should modern with time to protect the crime works. We decided to make a security project as our project. In this project, we have used the laser light to cover a large area. We know that laser light goes through long distance without scattering effect. It's also visible at source and at incident point, otherwise invisible. These two properties helps us to build up a modern security system which may name as laser security. When any person or object or cross over the laser line, the security alarm will ring and also the focus light will on to focus the entrance of unauthorized person. We can make a security boundary of a single laser light by using mirror at every corner for reflection. Components and materials required of our project. Breadboard. A breadboard, also known as a protoboard, is a type of solderless electronic circuit building. You can build a electronic circuit on the breadboard without any soldering. Best of all the components. LDR, it is a photo resistor, and also called as light dependent resistor or photo cell. Is a light controlled variable resistor. The resistance of the photo resistor decreases in light intensity. Next, resistor. A resistor is an electrical component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in an electric circuit. Resistors can also be used to provide a specific voltage for an active, such as an transistor. We are using an NPN transistor in this project. Next one, laser pointer. A laser pointer or laser pen is a small handheld device with a power source and a laser diode emitting a very narrow coherent low powered laser beam of visible light. LED means light emitting diode, emits visible light through it. Battery, container containing of one or more cells in which chemical energy is converted into electricity and used as a source of power. Wire drawn into the form of a thin flexible thread or rod. Buzzer, an electrical device that makes a buffering noise and is used for signaling. Battery clip, it is used to connect the battery terminals. Capacitor is a device is used to store an electric charge consisting of one or more pairs of conductors separated by an insulator. Over to Yogeshwaran.
In circuit diagram, input is connected as a 9 to 12 volt HW battery, and output is connected as a buzzer. In between, there are one resistor 50k ohms and connected an LDR. Next, an experimental setup. In experimental setup, you want to connect an 5k resistor, and using the breadboard, we all connect the equipments and the components. And starting, we are connect the input as 9-volt battery and take the output in the buzzer. In between, we have to connect the laser and some other components. And we want to toggle the laser and check the output. Next, this is the simple. Then the next slide. This is the simple diagram. Next. In working, then the next slide. In this working of the laser system, the LDR is used main purpose for according to the light detecting. When the laser is flows to the LDR and it detects the current flow and checks the light. Next slide. Next slide. The voltage drop. The voltage drop occurs. The LDR is used to drive the transistor switch. When the voltage drop is above 13 voltage, the transistor is turned on. LDR has low resistance in the presence of light. In this situation, offered by the LDR is directly flows the laser to the LDR, and the LDR detects the light comes from laser and it off the buzzer sound. Next slide. When the LDR is not detect the laser light, the LDR gives the output as buzzer sound and will give the detection of the LED and a buzzer sound as detection. Thus, the voltage drop across the LDR is as low. When a person makes a block to the continuously flow of laser beam, and the light falling on the LDR gets blocked. This increases the M ohm range. While resistance increases, the NPN transistor voltage of silicon is turned on. The current from Y starts flowing to the ground. The buzzer and transistor it makes the beep sound, while the LDR and the laser light will not connect at each other. And this will produce a beep sound when laser light is not flowing the light in LDR. Next slide. Over to Yogeshwar.
Over to Dilip Kumar.
Yogeshwar talk. Yogesh.
Yeah, am I audible?
Talk the Yogesh. Advantages of laser security system. In this laser security system, uh, laser door alarm is based on the intersection of laser beam. When the laser beam is not connected to the LDR, the buzzer sound will alert the signal. In this laser system, the laser technology products will calculate distance by measuring the time of light of very short infrared light. Next slide. In this depth detection system, it can be designed as an many laser signal crosses each other. When any human or an object crosses to the laser in between, it cut off the laser light and gives and sound to the buzzer. In other uses of laser system, the laser system are high-tech innovations that have gained popularity in home and offer security. In this conclusion, home security is rapidly growing in our world with rapid technology turning out an area full of scope and makes better security of laser. Next slide. In this mini project video, when laser beam is not producing the light, it produces a sound. Or any object or any human hand will interrupt the signal, it will produce a sound. When laser when laser touches the LDR, it will not produce the sound. When the laser light is back through the right, it will produce the sound. Whenever the laser is not touches to the LDR, it will produce the LED and the buzzer sound like this. This process simultaneously will run. Thank you.
Thank you.